so excited. I am literally so excited, and I'm singing because I'm so excited because I have a brand new subscription box to try out on my channel, and I've heard such amazing things about this box, so I'm like, oh my gosh, could this be like a sister to Boxycharm? Okay, so with that fun introduction, this is the Tribe Beauty Box. Look how cute the packaging is. Oh my god. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I can't wait to shut up so I can get into this box. Okay, so this is the Tribe Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription box, I think. Like, from my understanding of it, you get one every 2 months, and it's $35. I don't remember if there's shipping. I don't remember if there's tax. I will leave all of that information down in the description box down below. But can we just take a second to, like, appreciate the kindness and the art, oh no, and the art that went into creating this box. Like, literally, I am so absolutely in love with the packaging of this box, which gives me hope that everything inside is going to be magic. So with the $35 and all of that talked about, let's get into this box. So I'm gonna open it up, and boom, this is where we're getting into. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the card, and it says summer never ends, and then it says words on it that I don't want to read to you guys because that would spoil the fun. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is brushes. Oh my gosh, we are already off to a great start. Okay, so this is the Crown Pro Brush Trio. So we have 3 brushes in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have what looks to me like a contour brush from Crown, a face powder brush, and then an eyeshadow, a crease brush. So this says Crown. Yeah, they all just say Crown on it. They don't have any numbers or anything listed. I did receive these brushes in my Boxycharm a couple of months ago. I don't remember how long ago it was, but I do already have these brushes, I think. Or maybe I didn't, because like these are the brush. Yeah, these are they the same? They look similar. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell if they're any different because they don't have any like numbers or anything on it to like distinct them. Here's what I received in Boxycharm. So I don't know if these are the same exact brushes. I think they are, but again, I'm gonna like wait and like see what it says. But I think that I received the same brushes in my Boxycharm. Look how dirty my brushes are. I literally just cleaned these last week and they are looking pretty dirty. So please don't judge me. It's okay if you do, I really don't care. But so we got 3 brushes from Crown, and I think that's really great. I'm not mad that I received these in my Boxycharm. Like, I'm not mad at all. I will see if my mom or my sister want these, and if they don't, they're going into a giveaway pile. There's literally so much in here, and look at the fun little packaging peanuts. Like, what an interesting way. I've yet to see another subscription box brand actually use packaging peanuts, so I'm not mad about it at all. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this pressed eyeshadow pan from Makeup Geek. This is in shade Peach Smoothie. I literally hear all the big YouTubers like talking about this all of the time. Look how pretty this is. It is a pretty peach shade. Oh my gosh. So we got, I've never ever, I have nothing from Makeup Geek ever. Like, people used to talk about Makeup Geek all the time, and now it's all Morphe. So it's really exciting to see like an old, not that they're really old, but you know what I mean, like not so talked about brand that used to be really popular in my box. This is shade Peach Smoothie from Makeup Geek. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this thingy. Vasanti Magnetic Makeup Wipes. Makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. 30 sheets, oh my goodness. Multi-action formula, effectively and gently removes makeup, hydrates and nourishes skin, good for all skin types, and perfect for travel. These makeup cleansing wipes are soaked in micellar water, so dirt and impurities are easily removed without drying out your skin. Tiny micellar molecules attract dirt, oil, and pollutants from your face like a magnet. Let's face it, we all have days when we just don't have the energy to wash your face at the end of the night. With this highly effective formula, you don't have to compromise your skincare routine. It's really cool from Vasanti. I can't remember like who Vasanti is off the top of my head. I know the name. I just can't think of any other products that they make right now. But that's okay, I'll look it up. So we've got some makeup wipes, and there's a lot in here. There's 30 in here, so that's a lot. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this. It looks like an eye crayon. It's from So Susan, Skincare Color and Performance. Hot leg with white truffle. Okay, let me take off the plastic packaging and then I can probably read what it actually says. So I was able to get some assistance and take off the cap to this highlighting pencil. I don't know why, I literally could not get it. So this is a highlighting pencil. Let's see what kind of, ooh, oh, highlighting action it does. Okay, so that was way creamier and way more pigmented than I was actually expecting it to be. Like usually like with these types of highlighting pencils, I really have to like go in and like put in work to get it, but this would be like perfect for underneath of my brow. Just like going in and cleaning up underneath of my brow. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm gonna blend it out real quick. Remember, this is on top of foundation and everything, so it's probably gonna look a little wonky, but wow, look how different this side of my face looks compared to this one. This is magic. Okay, I'm not mad at this at all. I needed another one. It has been such a long time and I really could honestly use one. So I'm really glad that I got it in this box. Look how more like awake and alert my face looks. Like that really added just a subtle touch of like light to really kind of open my face up, make me look more awake, make me look just brighter and fresher. The next thing that I'm pulling out is another pan from Makeup Geek. So this is in shade Aphrodite. Let's see, I'm really excited. It's like a dark color. It's gonna be so pretty for fall. So this kind of looks like a purpley brown. Let's swatch it and see what it looks like. This is very buttery. Oh my gosh. Can we talk about pigment? Okay, so that is kind of splotchy. I'm gonna go in again and just run that across the top of my hand. I definitely do feel like it's not applying very well. Like it feels like it's very clumpy. It feels kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, but it feels clumpy. It feels like I'm having like a hard time just having it apply evenly to my hand. So this definitely, like in the pan, it looks more like purpley brown, but this is definitely, it's a dark brown on the back of my hand. I even tried applying it to the back of my wrist because maybe I had something on the back of my hand that I just didn't know about. And as you can see, I'm definitely having a hard time with it not being patchy. And it's like clumping up. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like there's like small clumps of it right on my hand. I have no idea what is going on. I have nothing on my skin to like make it do that. So I'm a little nervous to play around with the formula. I will admit I've never had this problem before ever with any eyeshadow. Like I've had clumpy eyeshadow, but I usually have that problem when like, and I'm able to fix it. Like it's usually just something that I'm wearing on underneath that causes the eyeshadow to be clumpy. So I'm not gonna hate on Tribe Beauty for sending that in their box, but like, I mean, let's see if they can recover. We do have one more Makeup Geek pan to play around with. So this is shade, what is it? It is shade Shima. Okay, so this is gonna be a shimmer shade and I'm really excited. Okay, so oh my God, okay, pigment. So let's put it back here. Oh boy. And I don't know why, but underneath of my nails literally get so dirty so quickly. I have no idea. I wash my hands. I'm constantly cleaning out from underneath of my nails, but they always look so dirty and I don't know why. So here is the shimmer shade. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's like a golden peach color. And let's put him right here. So I'm not having that like the patchy problem at all with this shade that I did with this dark brown shade. I also didn't have that problem with the peach color, but look how gorgeous that is. I love that so much. That's out of all three, this is definitely my favorite just because of how easily that went on and how absolutely pigmented it is. But I also really love shiny colors. I love shiny things. I love glitter. And it really has a nice reflection. Like it's blinding. I would love to see this as a highlight. And last but not least, we have NARS. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this is from NARS. This is Velvet Lip Guide in shade Toy. I'm so excited. I've never tried a lip product from NARS and I'm so excited to try this out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this looks like a dark purple color. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, this is definitely purple. That is purple. Wow, that's really pretty purple. Who wants to see it on me? I really do, so let's take a second and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on my lips, and I have to say it's so creamy feeling. Like it feels so creamy. I don't know if this is supposed to be, I don't know if it's supposed to be a lip gloss, presumably, because it says lip glide. So like That kind of sounds like lip gloss. I don't really know. It's very shiny. It's not drying down in the back of my hand. So again, I think this is lip gloss, and it has that gorgeous vanilla scent. I love that scent so much. And this is like, it's kind of bold. It's definitely dark. It's not really work appropriate, but I think it's a very gorgeous color. And this is something that I totally see myself wearing. Okay, and we have a card to talk about everything. So I'm going to read the card, and I'm really excited. Again, I paid $35 for this, and just knowing makeup, I already know that the NARS lip gloss puts us really close to the total value of the box. So let's go ahead and read the card. Okay, so there were two items that I could have received. I could have received the NARS Lip Glide or the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Color. So I did receive the NARS Lip Glide. This is $26. NARS, an innovative, long-lasting lip color with a smooth satin to semi-matte finish that provides ultimate hydration. I definitely love the feeling of this on my lips. It feels so nice. It feels creamy. It definitely does feel very hydrating. So I'm in love with this formula so much, and I never would have known that if not for this box. So then it talks about the 3 Makeup Geek signature eyeshadows. These are $6 each. So 6, 12, 18. $18 in eyeshadows right here. Shima is a light pinky beige with a shimmery finish. Peach Smoothie is a soft peachy orange with a matte finish. Aphrodite is a deep plum brown with a matte finish. Then we have the Crown Trio brush set. Oh yeah, wait, no, I already told you the price. Okay, so now we have the Crown Trio brush set. This is $29.99. So between the brushes and the NARS, like, we're already way past what we actually paid for this box. So the Crown Trio brush set. This trio brush set is constructed with custom top grade synthetic bristles. The premium synthetic bristles will not absorb oils or products, which helps extend the lifespan of the product being used. Next, we have the Vasanti Cosmetics Makeup Magnetic Wipes, $12. These powerful makeup cleaning wipes are gentle, effective, and super comfortable. Like a magnet, tiny micellar molecules attract dirt and oil and pollutants from your face. Last but not least, we have the So Susan Hot Light Highlight Pencil, $19.95 for this. This is $20. Oh my god. A universally flattering ivory cream crayon that brings your best features to light, made with white truffle extract and icereal peptide to help reduce eye bags and increase skin elasticity. So this is supposed to be going around or underneath your eyes. I think that's very interesting. Definitely something perfect for my eyebrows. It was so creamy, went on so incredibly easy, and now we definitely have to test out these makeup wipes and see what they're made of. So here is the size of one makeup wipe, and I have to say, look how like rugged the ends of the wipes are. Like, it looks like somebody tore these off. So let's just see how well it does of removing our makeup. Wow, okay. So far going so good. I always have problems with lip products. So let's see how easy that comes off. Okay, not bad at all. But the back of my hand is clean. It's gone. All of the dirt and magic is gone. So here's what the makeup wipe looks like. I'm excited. This is something definitely I will be keeping with me while I travel. But in total, for $35, I know I got way over. Like, I have no idea what the value of this is. I'll definitely leave that somewhere in this video. But we got makeup wipes, 3 makeup brushes, 3 eyeshadows, a lip gloss, and a highlighting pencil. And we got, well, technically, the only brand that I didn't recognize was So Susan, but the 2 really famous, I feel like all 4 of these brands are actually really well known, but definitely NARS, I would have to say, out of everything, is the most well-known brand. You can find this in Sephora, you can find them in Ulta. So NARS, I feel like, is the big ticket item in this box. But I'm really happy with everything. I love the highlighting pencil. There's nothing in here that I hate or I'm disappointed with. So what did you guys think of this box? I am definitely gonna say sign up for another box. I'm very impressed with this box. I feel like it was well-rounded. I feel like I got a lot of recognizable brands. I feel like I got a little bit of skincare, eye makeup, brushes, lips, and like a highlighting stick. So I feel like that's really excited. Again, well-rounded. I definitely got my money's worth. I was excited to see brands that I actually knew and products that are definitely usable for my personal taste. So what did you guys think of this Tribe Beauty box? Were you impressed with it? Were you excited? Is there something that you didn't really like about the box? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you at my next video.